Was feeling like a lumberjack today when I went to make this video, so let's just run with it and talk about what's going on in the three lower counties here in New Hampshire. So Rockingham County, the average sale price last week was $792,000. There were 61 closings that happened. 44 properties went pending and 82 were newly listed. And then in Hillsborough County, their average sale price was $434,000. There were 50 closings that happened last week. 42 properties went pending. 79 were newly listed. And then in Merrimack County, the average sale price was $395,000. The number of closings was 23. 22 properties went pending and 30 were listed. So if you see here, all new listings again in all three counties did not outpace or really even come close to the number of properties that closed. So that is a great news for inventory. Another good news, I know the feds met last week and it was huge news on all the major media networks saying, hey, interest rates are going through the roof. Well, that actually affected the mortgage rate positively and made them go down. So conventional is at 6.54 last week. FHA was 5.9 and VA was 5.95. So the FHA and VA took a nice drop, like almost a half a point last week, which is really great for buyers, allowing those buyers that are in this market probably suffering the hardest to be really competitive. So at least when they get their contract accepted, they have a really good rate. If anybody has any further questions about what's going on in the market, don't hesitate to reach out.